Come on in the room. Come on, let me tell y'all about this miracle in the bottle. This bottle right here is empty now. Used the last of it. But I've had 3 different bottles. I was using castor oil for different other things, for skin, for your scalp, for your face. It's phenomenal. So I had problems with my shoulder, and went to the doctor. She had me going to therapy for it. This was like probably in 2022, probably beginning of 2023, because I stopped going because it wasn't working. So I was going to therapy. She was massaging and doing all of, you know how they do when you go to therapy, and nothing was working. I couldn't get my arm no further than this, no higher than this, and I just started using the castor oil. I said, well, I'm gonna try this castor oil and see if this works, because I use it for dry skin and for everything else. Y'all, I used this castor oil for 2 weeks straight on my shoulder. For 2 weeks straight on my shoulder. Look at this. I can raise my arm, no pain, no pain. I can raise my arm. I couldn't get my arm up that high. If you don't have any of this, get you some. Get you some cold pressed organic castor oil. It's gonna do the trick. Like a couple of weeks ago, I think it was on Amazon. Maybe a couple of weeks ago, maybe a week ago too, because I actually started ordering, and this was another young lady that had told me about the Heritage brand. They had these for 40% off on Amazon. So I got more bottles of this. This right here, castor oil, it's a game changer. I took and made me a little concoction with some Vaseline. I put some castor oil in there, mixed up some Vaseline, some coconut oil, and some aloe vera gel, and stirred it up. It's a good skin regimen. It's really good. It's good for your feet. It's good for all parts of your body. It's actually good for your scalp, for your hair, whatever you want to use it on. Castor oil is a game changer. I am a testimony to it. I'm telling you, if you don't have any castor oil, you're missing out. Get you some castor oil. Get you some castor oil. Queen of Thrones sell it. Heritage sell it. Amazon carry them both. And I think some of them might be in different stores, but I know they carry them online too on other sites also. But they had this like 40% off, so I grabbed 2 bottles of this. And I had already ordered a bottle prior to that. So castor oil is a game changer. Get you some castor oil. I'm telling you, it's good for, like, my knee had been bothering me. I started rubbing on my knee. I ain't heard nothing, all that clicking and stuff with my knee. I had surgery on my knee like in 2006. It is really good, very good. And so I just rub it. I rub it all on my feet, all on my legs. You can put it on your entire body. Castor oil. Get you some castor oil. If you don't have any, you need to get out to the store and get some. It's for arthritis also. I know people I remember when I was younger, my mother used to stand us in line and give us a teaspoon or tablespoon, I can't remember, teaspoon or tablespoon of it. We had to get in line, there was a lot of us, and take this castor oil. And it's good, especially if you're having any problems with any digestive problems, it's good for that. Some people put some in their tea. That castor oil, I'm telling you, it's a miracle in a bottle, and it's a straight game changer. Get you some castor oil. Get you some castor oil. Make sure that it's organic and that it's cold pressed, and it's in a dark color bottle. Yep, because you don't want it in plastic, and you don't want it in a light color bottle. As soon as that light hit it, it can go ransom. It can mess it up. So castor oil. Castor oil. So I think that's it for today. Just wanted to tell you guys about this miracle in the bottle. I'm just trying to put the word out there to everybody. If you got parents that's dealing with arthritis, any type of arthritis, any type of inflammation, rub it on them. Get it for them and rub your parents down. They'll be happy that you did. You'll be happy that you did. So thank everybody for watching. Y'all have a peaceful, blessed day today. Love all of y'all. Thank you. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please hit the like, share, also subscribe button, and share my channel. I want to thank all of you. Have a beautiful, beautiful day. Bye-bye.